Hi everyone, welcome to my channel MLT Super Guide. In my first video, I discussed Immunology Part 1. In this video, this is mainly created for those who are preparing for recent examinations as per their request. Let us have a look on the questions. Question number 1. Hematocrit is a measure of packed red cell volume, total red cell mass, total red cell sedimentation rate. The right answer is option A, packed red cell volume. As we know, hematocrit test measures the proportion of red blood cells in our blood. RBCs carry oxygen throughout our body. Having too few or too many RBCs can be a sign of certain diseases. Second question, Campylobacter is obligate microaerophilic, obligate aerobe, facultative anaerobe, obligate anaerobe. The right answer is option A, obligate microaerophilic. Campylobacters are slender, spirally curved, gram-negative bacilli. They resemble Vibrios but different being microaerophilic. Microaerophilic means they grow in presence of small amount of oxygen. Next question. Which of the following may give a false positive reaction on the glucose dipstick? Galactose, lactose, maltose, oxidizing agent. Here the right answer is option D, oxidizing agent. Sodium fluoride is used in specimen collection to prevent glycolysis, chelate calcium, bind calcium, prevent conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. And the right answer is option A, prevent glycolysis. Sodium fluoride containing tubes were introduced into the laboratory practice for blood glucose estimation. Sodium fluoride has been known to have an anti-glycolytic effect that inhibit glycolysis. Next question. Musicarmin is a useful stain for fungi which produce capsules, conidia, blastospores, spherules. Here the right answer is option A, capsules. What is capsule? Capsule is an extracellular layer which lies outside the cell wall and it is usually composed of polysaccharides. It protects the cell from different environmental dangers such as phagocytosis, desiccation, etc. Next question. Which flagellate can be a pathogen of the small intestine? Giardia, Trichomonas, Chilomastix, none. Here the right answer is option A, Giardia. Giardia duodenalis, also known as Giardia intestinalis or Giardia lamblia. It is a flagellated parasitic organism that colonizes and reproduces in the small intestine and causing diarrheal condition known as giardiasis. Next question. Which virus produces negri bodies in brain tissue? Poliovirus, HSV, rabies, smallpox. Here the right answer is option C, rabies. And negri bodies appears as intracytoplasmic oval or round purplish pink bodies. Next question. The binding strength of an antibody for an antigen is referred to as its specificity, affinity, avidity, none. Here the right answer is option C, avidity. The binding strength of an antibody for an antigen is known as avidity. So what is specificity? Antigen-antibody reaction is specific in nature. That means an antigen combines only with its homologous antibody and vice versa. And affinity is the intensity of attraction between antigen and antibody molecule. Here the right answer is option C, avidity. Next question. Which of the following cells are thymus dependent? B cell, T cells, plasma cells, monocytes. The right answer is option B, T cells. The primary function of the thymus is to produce thymic lymphocytes. It is a major site for lymphocyte proliferation in the body. During maturation, the lymphocytes acquire new surface antigen and are called T lymphocytes or T cells. So the right answer is option B, T cells. Next question. Anemia due to acute blood loss is usually microcytic, normocytic, macrocytic, none. Here the right answer is option B, normocytic. Normocytic means RBCs that are normal in size. And microcytic means RBCs are unusually smaller than the normal, and macrocytic means larger than the normal. Next question. Transport media for Mycobacterium tuberculosis. VR medium, Middlebrooks, Stewart's, none. Here the right answer is option B, Middlebrooks medium. And VR medium is used for Vibrio cholerae. And what is Stewart's medium? It is a non-nutrient soft agar gel containing a reducing agent to prevent oxidation and charcoal to neutralize bacterial inhibitors. So the right answer is option B, Middlebrooks. Next question. Width of the cuvette that generally used for colorimetry. 0.1 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. The right answer is option C, 1 centimeter. And cuvettes are used similarly to test tubes because they hold aqueous samples. However, unlike test tubes, a cuvette is used in a spectrophotometer or a fluorimeter to measure the absorbance or percentage transmission of light at a specific wavelength. Next question. Scavenger cell is the other name for lymphocyte, erythrocyte, monocyte, plasma cell. Here the right answer is option C, monocyte. Why monocytes are scavenger cell? They engulf microorganisms at the site of the infection and remove cell debris. Therefore, they are called scavengers. Next question. A substance is present in blood group A, AB, B, all. A substance is present in all blood groups. So the right answer is option D, all, except those with the Bombay blood phenotype. Next question. Serum hepatitis is caused by hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis D, hepatitis C. Here the right answer is serum hepatitis is caused by hepatitis B virus and hepatitis A virus causing infectious hepatitis. Next question. Bilirubin is a breakdown product of fatty acid, protein, hemoglobin, purines. The right answer is option C. Bilirubin is a breakdown product of hemoglobin. So the right answer is option C, hemoglobin. Next question. pH of SDA agar is 7.2, 6.8, 8.6, 5.6. The right answer is option D, 5.6. Sabrodextrose agar is used for the isolation, cultivation and maintenance of non-pathogenic and pathogenic species of fungi and yeast. Why the pH is 5.6? The pH is adjusted to 5.6 in order to enhance the growth of fungi, especially dermatophytes, and to slightly inhibit bacteria growth in clinical specimens. Next question. Crystal seen in acidic urine. Triple phosphate, amorphous phosphate, calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate. The right answer is option C, calcium oxalate. And what are other crystals seen in acidic urine? Uric acid, amorphous urate, leucine, tyrosine, cysteine. Next question. Rotor is the part of colorimeter, incubator, water bath, centrifuge. The right answer is option D, centrifuge. Rotors have been constructed mainly from metal alloys. Rotor is used to house the tubes where separation occurs. There are two main types of centrifuge rotors, fixed angle or swinging bucket type. So here the right answer is option D, centrifuge. Next question. Name the tests used to detect urobilinogen in urine. Faucher's test, Ehrlich's test, Rothera's test, Hayes test. Here the right answer is option B, Ehrlich's test. It is used to detect urobilinogen in urine. Faucher's test is used to detect bile pigments. Rodera's test is used to detect the presence of acetone or acetoacetic acid in urine. And Hayes test is used to detect bile salts. Next question. The nitrogenous base not present in DNA structure. Arginine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Here the right answer is option D, uracil. In DNA, nitrogenous bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. And in RNA, the nitrogenous bases are adenine, cytosine, guanine and uracil. Next question. In Leishman stain, the nuclear stain is eosine, methylene blue, hematoxylin, none. The right answer is option B, methylene blue. Leishman stain contains eosine and methylene blue in acetone-free methyl alcohol. Why it is acetone-free methyl alcohol? If acetone present, it will destroy the cell membrane. And the function of methyl alcohol, it acts as a fixative. Before staining, we have to dilute the stain with a phosphate buffer and adjust the pH 6.8 or 7.2 depending on the specific test used. pH 6.8 is preferred when the morphology of blood cell is to be examined, and pH 7.2 is good for parasitic studies. It contains two components, eosine and methylene blue. Eosine is an acidic dye which stains the cytoplasm, and methylene blue is a basic dye which stains the nucleus. And in Leishman stain, the nuclear stain is methylene blue. The right answer is option B. Next question. Acid-fast stain was discovered by Louis Pasteur, Ehrlich, Loeffler, Robert Koch. The right answer is option B, Ehrlich. And Louis Pasteur, father of microbiology. Robert Koch, father of bacteriology. Loeffler was discovered Corynebacteria diphtheriae. Next question. Select one which is not a mineral. Calcium, potassium, creatine, sodium. The right answer is option C, creatine. Creatine is a substance that is found naturally in muscle cells. It helps the muscles to produce energy during heavy lifting or high intensity exercise. And what is creatinine? It is a waste product produced by muscles from the breakdown of a compound called creatine, which is removed from the body by the kidneys. Next question. Increased white cell count is in CSF is known as pleocytosis, pancytosis, lymphocytosis, monocytosis. And the right answer is option A, pleocytosis. Pleocytosis means there is an increased WBC count in CSF. And what is pancytosis? It is a disorder of the bone marrow characterized by an excessive production of blood cell by all the marrow elements. And monocytosis is defined as a monocyte count that exceeds the upper limit of the reference range, especially in diseases like tuberculosis, brucellosis. And lymphocytosis, it's a condition in which an increase in lymphocyte count seen. Next question. Drapkin solution is used for RBC count, platelet count, hemoglobin estimation, WBC count. The right answer is option C. Drapkin solution is used for hemoglobin estimation. It contains potassium cyanide, potassium ferricyanide, potassium dihydrogen phosphate. This procedure is based on the oxidation of hemoglobin and its derivatives to methemoglobin in presence of alkaline potassium ferricyanide. Next question. Average urine volume in adult is 1500 ml, 2000 ml, 500 ml, 1000 ml. Here the right answer is option A, 1500 ml. Just want to discuss briefly about different terms related to urine volume. First, oliguria. What is oliguria? It is defined as urine output less than 400 ml per day. And polyuria is defined as a frequent passage of large volume of urine. Anuria is a complete suppression of urine output. Next question. Cold agglutination test is a serological test for Staphylococcus, Mycoplasma, Klebsiella, Salmonella typhi. Here the right answer is option B, mycoplasma. Next question. Glasswares are sterilized by autoclave, boiling, incinerator, hot air oven. Right answer is option D. Glasswares are sterilized by hot air oven. And the holding period of hot air oven is 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. And it is the most widely used method of sterilization by dry heat. Next question. Flame-shaped bacteria. Planococci, pneumococci, staphylococci, streptococci. And the right answer is option B, pneumococci. And why pneumococci got the name flame-shaped bacteria? Because of its shape. And these are gram-positive diplococci, capsulated, one end round and other end pointed. And about planococci, they are gram-positive cocci and motile in nature. Staphylococci, they are gram-positive cocci arranged in grape-like clusters, and streptococci, spherical or oval cocci arranged in pairs. Next question. Smallest tapeworm is Taenia solium, Hymenolapis nana, Taenia saginata, Echinococcus granulosus. And the right answer is option D. The smallest tapeworm is Echinococcus granulosus. Next question. NIH swab is used for collection of eggs in case of endobiasis, ankylostomiasis, ascariasis, all of the above. Here the right answer is option A, endobiasis. Next question. Xenodiagnosis is a method of egg inoculation, animal inoculation, cell line inoculation, plant inoculation. And the right answer is option B. Xenodiagnosis is a method of animal inoculation. It is a diagnostic method used to document the presence of infectious microorganism or pathogen by exposing possibly infected tissue to a vector and then examining the vector for the presence of the pathogen or microorganism it may have ingested. Next question. Capsule of Cryptococcus is demonstrated using India ink, lactophenol cotton blue stain, Gram-Sidin, Leishman stain. Here the right answer is option A, India ink. When stained with India ink, the capsule is seen as a clear halo around the microorganism against the black background. Next question. Glycogen is stored in kidney, liver, muscle, adipose tissue. Right answer is option B, liver. Glycogen is a readily mobilized storage form of glucose and it is stored in liver. Next question. The patients of sickle cell anemia are resistant to malaria, leishmaniasis, trypanosomiasis, giardiasis. And here the right answer is option A, malaria. The patient of sickle cell anemia are resistant to malaria. Next question. The most reliable and convenient method for measuring pH by the use of pH meter, pH paper, litmus papers, all. Here the right answer is option A. The most reliable and convenient method for measuring pH by the use of pH meter. Next question. Vitamin C deficiency causes a disease called beriberi, rickets, night blindness, scurvy. The right answer is option D, scurvy. Next question. The sweat chloride test is useful in the diagnosis of dehydration, paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria or PNH, cystic fibrosis, none. And the right answer is option C, cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis affects the cells that produce mucus, sweat and digestive juices. It causes these fluids to become thick and sticky. The sweat chloride test measures the concentration of chloride that is excreted in sweat. Next question. The best single indicator of renal disease is proteinuria, oliguria, pyuria, glycosuria. The right answer is option A. The best single indicator of renal disease is proteinuria. Next one. The major extracellular cation is potassium, chloride, sodium, all of the above. The right answer is option C, sodium. Major extracellular cation is sodium, whereas the major intracellular cation is potassium. And major extracellular anion is chloride. These electrolytes play an important role in maintaining hemostasis. Next question. The causative agent of infectious mononucleosis is herpes simplex virus, hepatitis B virus, Epstein-Barr virus, none. Here the right answer is option C, Epstein-Barr virus. And what are other names for infectious mononucleosis? Glandular fever or kissing disease. Next question. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis or SSPE is caused by mumps virus, poliovirus, measles virus, pox virus. And the right answer is option C, measles virus. Measles is highly infectious childhood disease spread by respiratory secretions. Next one. A macrocytic anemia characteristically accompanies all of the following except vitamin B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, iron deficiency, fish tapeworm infection in some individuals. And the right answer is iron deficiency. In iron deficiency, the type of anemia is microcytic and hypochromic in nature. Next question. Platelet concentrates are often used to treat patients with HDN, thrombocytopenia, autoimmune hemorrhagic anemia, multiple myeloma. And the right answer is option B, thrombocytopenia. And platelet concentrator is used to prevent or treat bleeding in people with either a low platelet count or poor platelet function. Next question. TSI agar contains what proportion of dextrose, lactose, sucrose? 1:10:10, 1:1:10, 10:10:1, 10:1:1. Here the right answer is option A, 1:10:10. And a modification of triple sugar iron agar is Kigler iron agar, which is a differential medium. Next question. Cabo rings are inclusions found in eosinophils, erythrocytes, monocytes, lymphocytes. And the right answer is option B. Cabo rings are inclusions found in erythrocytes. They are thin, red-violet staining thread-like strands in the shape of a loop or figure 8 that are found on the RBCs. Their presence indicates a defect in RBC production. And here the right answer is option B. Next question. Which virus group produces warts? Parvoviruses, adenoviruses, papovaviruses, poxviruses. And the right answer is option C, papovaviruses. There are two genera, papillomavirus and polyomavirus. They are non-enveloped double-stranded DNA viruses. Next question. Hansen's bacilli is another name for Mycobacterium leprae, Nocardia, Shigella, Corynebacterium diphtheriae. And the right answer is option A, Mycobacterium leprae. So Hansen's bacillus is another name for Mycobacterium leprae. And last question. Depth of improved Neubauer counting chamber is 1 cm, 1 mm, 0.1 cm, 0.01 cm. And here the right answer is option D, 0.01 cm. Dear friends, study all these 50 questions properly, then you will be able to answer more than 150 questions.